Hi, I'm Mr. Long and I'm your science teacher today. Now, earlier on we did experiment number 1. Now we're going to work on experiment number 2. You'll notice that everything else is the same as experiment number 1. You're still going to learn about how does heat flow. You're still going to learn about a heat source. And you're going to learn about a place with a lower temperature. You're still going to conduct the experiment as shown in the video with the help of an adult. But this time it is slightly safer, much safer actually. And you're going to observe what's happening to the balloon. Which balloon? This balloon in this state. So after doing experiment 1, you should do experiment 2 straight away. And then you go to SLS and record down your observations. Describe what happened to the balloon in experiment 1 and in experiment 2. And then you state the direction of heat flow in SLS as well. Okay, girls? Now, let's see what happens here. So in experiment 2, what do you need? You will need your bottle with the balloon that is like that. Okay, all this is here. All these things are here. You will need another bowl or pot. Now inside here, notice I'm putting some ice, right? This is a place that's of very, very low temperature. Ice here. I'm going to pour some water in because I want some ice water. Alright. Whoa! It's really cold. Let's see what happens when I put a thermometer inside. It was quite high just now, right? I put it in. What happens to the red liquid in the thermometer? Is it increasing, decreasing, or it remains the same? It has now reached, I think, past 20 already. It's now almost at 10, and it's still decreasing, right? It's still decreasing. It's ice water. I think I give it long enough, another 5 minutes or so, it may drop to 0 degrees Celsius. Alright, but right now I think we are quite clear. The temperature of the water, of the ice water here is pretty cold. Okay, it's pretty cold, quite low, low temperature. So what I'm going to do in this experiment is this. I will be putting in this bottle into this bowl. This bottle like this, into the bowl. And after I put it in, your job is to observe what happens to this. So of course at home, you should do this. So parents, it's a good idea if you just pause the video so that your child can do it without watching what's happening first. Okay? So ready? Have you done it? If you've done the experiment, then you should see a similar observation. So remember, observe what's happening to the balloon and what's going to happen to it. Of course, you don't have to hold on to the bowl. I'm holding on to it so you can see it. Whoa, what happened to the balloon? It fell, but look at the shape and the size of the balloon. Try to observe what happened to the balloon. Now, I'm not squeezing the bottle or anything, I'm just holding on to it. What's happened to it? Come on, stand up. Apparently, the balloon can no longer stand up. Why? Why has this happened? Okay? So, go to SLS, observe what happened to the balloon, and state the direction of heat flow. Now, that is your job today. I hope you had fun doing this with your parents. Right, take care. Right, I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye.